This is episode 2. Hey, you. This is episode 2.
Yeah?
Are you excited?
Let's do the Daddy and Layla show.
This is the dad. This is the. No, you start. I start it. I say, this is the. You say, Layla. Then I say, Dada. And then we go, show. Okay. This is the.
Layla.
And Dada. Show.
Oh.
That's good. Yeah, everybody's clapping. Everybody's clapping. Whoa. That's a lot of clapping right in the mic. So what'd you do today so far? What'd you do?
I went outside and I called my 2 teachers.
You called your 2 teachers, yeah. And as soon as we're done with this, we're going to call your teachers from when you were 2 years old. You don't have to be so loud. Oh, yeah. You're excited. But didn't you do something with rainbows this morning?
Yeah, I made a rainbow. I really did.
Hey, you're too close to the mic. Okay. Layla.
What?
Okay. So what'd you do with the rainbow?
I cut out paper, snap, 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 snap.
Mm-hmm.
Then I taped it to the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, cut it out. So
Yeah, Mama helped with the cutting out the cloud.
I can't even cut.
You can cut. That was a hard one.
Yeah.
So
I can't do up and down, up and down.
the wavy
only
stuff,
do
yeah. Straight, yeah. It's okay.
And I can do blah,
So what'd you
blah,
do on
blah,
the
blah,
colors
blah,
of the rainbow?
Red, orange.
What did you draw on the colors?
I just made
Did you do your name? Did you do shapes, or did you do
patterns.
patterns? Yeah.
I did patterns.
Patterns. Yeah, you did shape patterns.
What are the black?
What?
What is the black?
Back there?
No.
What?
I mean that.
This? My headphones are in that.
And what is this?
More headphones. Okay, yeah.
Why do
In
I-
case the battery dies in one, I can use the other one. So then you went outside. You had some lunch.
Mm-hmm.
You played, and you saw somebody ride on the bike by our front door.
Dada and Steffi.
Shout out to Dada and Steffi.
Dada and Steffi.
Okay, stop clapping. Stop clapping. So, as soon as we're done with this, we're gonna call your previous teachers, and then I don't know what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna FaceTime them. Actually, it's gonna be a group FaceTime with your previous teachers. That's gonna be a lot of fun. And
And stop. Doot, doot.
you're really funny.
And boop. Stop.
You're making a lot of noises today.
Hey, don't stop
Hey.
it.
And then I don't know what I know I have karate class tonight, but I don't know what. Maybe you'll go outside again.
Maybe you're gonna do punches.
We might. Yeah, I did the other night.
Kick.
Well, you don't have to kick me.
I know. But it doesn't even hurt.
But just like you're having classes during this virus, right? Everybody home. Just because you're having classes online through Zoom, right? You're having classes, and I'm having my class as well.
Yeah.
My karate teacher's doing classes. Can you? You're not paying attention. Should I just stop it?
No.
No.
Get your hand off the chair.
But my hand is on the chair.
Hey, get it off.
That's what it's for. The arm of the chair is to put your arm on.
Oh yeah.
You want your arms on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You love Dada's chair?
Uh-huh.
Dada's chair is broken. I need a new
It's
chair.
really comfy.
But I'm not buying one.
It's really comfy.
It is. Yeah. I just wish it. Okay. Can you stop bouncing? I wish it went up and down though.
Yeah,
But it stops. It's broken. It just stays down.
but it can wheel. Right?
It can wheel. Yeah. So what do you want to say to everybody who's listening? Do you want
I
to say?
love you.
You want to say thanks for listening?
Yeah.
So you can say thanks for listening.
Thank you for listening, and we want to tell you the show again, just for
In case
for
everybody,
the ending.
in case everybody forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah. And be sure to subscribe. Right?
Show, Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
I want you to say.
Be sure to subscribe. Because Layla's cute. And she's worth listening to.
And I can't say that. So let's do the show.
Okay.
So if you can't even say it.
So in case you forgot what show to subscribe to, it's the
Layla
and Dada show.
Show. Bye. Love you.